Τα μαλάκια του Άγγελου Μιχαήλ τελείωσαν. Θα το αφηγηθώ και στα αγγλικά για τους ξένους φίλους μας. Κοιτάξτε, είναι πάρα πολύ όμορφα, είναι πάρα πολύ silky με τα ξένια, από αρίστης ποιότητος μοχέρ, με ένα χρώμα καταπληκτικό, Τώρα λείπουν οι βλεφαρίδες στο μωρό μας, να κολλήσω από μέσα τα μαλάκια του και μετά είναι έτοιμο για συναρμολόγηση, μια μικρή φωτογράφηση και πάει στη μανούλα του. Hi my friends, this is Kit Harper by Andrea Arcello, and tonight his routing finished, and I'm very happy with the result. And it's a custom order. We need the eyelashes, and then we are going to have a lovely baby, newborn baby boy, Aggelos Mihael, which is a custom order, and he's going to his mommy shortly. Look at this smile, look at this face, look at these eyes. I'm in love with him, and I'm sure you are too. His silky hair is made of excellent quality mohair. Well, good night, and you may watch all his photo shoot, which is going to start after his eyelashes and after I glue his hair inside the head. And his photo shoot photos will appear in his album in my Facebook profile under the name Aggelos Mihael. And of course, in my Reborn page, Eleni's Reborn Sweethearts, as well. Have a good night. We all love you. Bye.